Okay, so this is my slating idea. Start off putting a sheet of paper with your scene number on it. And then get ready and keep the camera pretty close to yourself. You can actually perform and get really good sound. I bet you can hear me. Okay, so let's see. I've got the script. We're doing this thing called Cowboys from Texas, and I can record all this because Sarah is going to edit it down. It's going to be fine. Okay, everybody ready? Okay, here we go. Howdy, partner. My name's Bubba. I forgot my line. Okay, guess what? In this case, you can just start over without stopping the camera. Howdy, friends. Welcome to my Christmas play about cowboys from Texas. What do you think, Slim? And see, now I panned over to Slim. I can now reposition the camera. Take my hat off. Keep recording. I think that's a great idea. I think you should get together and talk about cowboys from Texas. Right? Then keep the camera rolling. Come up here. Take away the text. Okay, good. I've lost my Texas accent, but now I have something to cut together. Okay, I just gave an illustration where you can actually create a play in front of your camera. I'm about 12 inches away. And just see yourself as you're doing it. You get a really good volume. And if you give us both pieces like that, Sarah or myself or anybody can cut this together. Okay? So this is kind of an example, number one. Howdy, friends. Welcome to my Christmas play about cowboys from Texas. What do you think, Slim? I think that's a great idea. I think you should get together and talk about cowboys from Texas. Okay, good. I've lost my Texas accent, but now I have something to cut together. Okay, yeah, that was fun. Okay, so now you get the idea. And the one thing that I didn't remind you is you have to keep it landscape. See how this looks like a television set? You don't want to film it like this. See how I turn sideways? And we don't want it to be nice and tall, like, or not nice, but tall like a building. Sometimes you shoot things, up and down. Make sure it sits flat. Look at the flat screen you have in your house or anything that's laying flat. It needs to be long when you film it, and look at yourself as you film. You'll be able to see the angles, and you can try to look away and try not to look so much at the lens. These are kind of like acting tricks that you can do. But if you really want to talk and say something, just look right down the pipe and figure out where the actual lens is. You have to figure that out. Anyway, have fun.